told them why you couldn't sleep, why every sound felt louder. You said, I think I'm losing me. They said, you'll feel better. You tried again in softer words, so no one felt uneasy. And by the time you said it all, you ended up saying sorry. You don't have to say it better, you don't have to make it small. You were clear the first time, they just couldn't hear you at all. You don't need them to believe, just because they couldn't see doesn't mean it wasn't real.